How to fix thumbnails not showing on Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. If your thumbnails, image or video previews are not showing in your Windows 10 or 11, you can try out this fixes in order and that should work out for you. So let's just get started. So you can start by opening up File Explorer and you can look out for the menu, the menu right here in the above, and look out for the three dot and click on it. After that, you can basically look out for the View tab, or you can usually find the View tab directly. You can just go and check it. And here, look out for this option called Show. And here, always check the option for showing, content, etc. or the icons, never thumbnails, such kind of options. You can just go over and select that option from there. You can also filter it out from the section. Also look out for the three dot and look out for the options option, and there also you can just go over and look out for view and always select this option, always show icons, never thumbnails. And if you find this option, you can uncheck it and apply it up and click on OK and confirm it up, and that should do it. Apart from that, you can enable thumbnail preview in performance settings. So press Windows plus R for that, and then just go and type in sysdm.cpo and hit enter. Once you do so, this properties windows opens up on your screen. You can go to the advanced tab, and within there go to performance. Under performance, go to settings and look out for the option called show thumbnails instead of icons. So find this option and just go and check this option and click on apply and click on OK and confirm it up. Apart from that, you can reveal the thumbnail cache. So press Windows plus R and then just type in clean mgr, hit enter, and you can select your C drive here and then just go and click on OK. And here it should calculate how much space you will be able to find. You can just go and look out for the option called thumbnails and check it up. Make sure this one is checked and click on OK and apply it up. And Windows will recreate them automatically. That should also do it. Also, you can restart your File Explorer. You can press Ctrl Shift and ESC at the same time. After doing so, you can just go over and look out for Windows Explorer within the section. Once you find it up, you can right click on Windows Explorer and look out for the option called Restart. If not there, go to Properties and look out for the option called Restart for Windows Explorer and just go over and restart it, and that should also do it. And that is it. Those are some of the most common fixes you can try out to fix that issue. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.